Over the past decade, we've been focusing on human posture and gait analysis to help top athletes improve their sports performance. Today, with SennoFit and your smartphone, you can analyze your posture, measure your gait, and then get a pair of custom insoles designed to fit you perfectly. You will fall in love with these insoles after your very first step. Whether standing, walking, or running, you will immediately feel the amazing comfort that these one-of-a-kind insoles provide. The difference is simply amazing.
I think it is amazing, and it is very cool.
We studied over 1.5 million pieces of data and found that without proper sole support, 80% of people will suffer from foot, back, and knee pain at some time in their life. Using the SennoFit app, we are able to analyze your posture, gait, and foot surface by measuring more than 380 parameters. From here, our technology allows us to identify future potential risks and improper movement patterns. Based on the data, we will design a pair of insoles that fit you perfectly. We've also developed the world's most advanced non-Newtonian fluid dynamics materials. Using these materials, we are able to customize the resilience and cushioning force to match your gait pattern and improve your posture. Traditionally, customized insoles to correct foot issues were expensive, often costing over $100 and required multiple doctor visits. We know that our system can help you relieve pain and walk effortlessly. We can deliver an affordable and ultra-comfortable pair of customized insoles made just for you. We hope our innovation will make your life happier and healthier. SennoFit, to make each step count.
There you are!
Having trouble finding the right charging cable for your devices? We can help you with our brand new UFour 4-in-1 cable. We built this cable with all the possible ports you may need, plus a wireless charging panel for your Apple Watch. The wireless charging panel has a built-in magnet, so you will never misplace your Apple Watch. The 4-in-1 cable has 3 different ports: micro USB, Lightning, and USB-C. That means you can charge nearly any digital product on the market. With the Lightning port, the 4-in-1 cable is not just your charging cable. It is also the data transport cable. Simply plug it into your computer and transfer your files. The cable and wireless panel will generate no heat, so it's going to be perfectly safe for all your devices. The 4-in-1 cable is wrapped with tough nylon braided wire, strong and durable, and cannot be broken. It is also 4 feet long. which makes it even more convenient to charge multiple devices at the same time. It will never tangle, and it is effortless to organize and place it right in your pocket or bag, so you can carry it everywhere you go. UFour, your 4-in-1 charging on the go.
You might remember NexDock from a few years ago, when thousands of you supported our vision to build the world's most affordable laptop. With your help, we built a groundbreaking device, the first of its kind, that turns smartphones and microcomputers into fully functional laptops. We successfully shipped over 3,000 products to our backers in 60 countries all around the world. We're thrilled to see these backers out there using and enjoying their NexDocks today. Meanwhile, we've been listening to your feedback and feature requests, and we've been hard at work making the NexDock even better. And now, we're excited to announce the next generation of NexDock. The new NexDock features a sleek aluminum body, beautiful HD display, edge-to-edge keyboard, and USB-C input. Just plug in your smartphone and you have a beautiful, powerful, fully functional laptop. With a full-size keyboard and screen, you can experience real productivity with your smartphone. Send emails, create spreadsheets, and play games with a keyboard and touchpad. Watch movies and TV shows and check your social media on a bigger screen. The new NexDock is specifically designed for Samsung and Huawei smartphones with the desktop mode feature. We believe that this feature will be included on many upcoming Android smartphones. That means you can change phones and still use your NexDock. But it's even better. Because the computing power is coming from your phone, your NexDock becomes a new, better computer every time you get a new phone. NexDock works off of your smartphone's existing data, Bluetooth, and Wi-Fi connections, so you don't need an extra data plan. And with a long battery life, NexDock can also charge your phone. But NexDock doesn't only work with smartphones. With the full-size HDMI in port, the new NexDock still supports mini PCs and Raspberry Pis, creating fully functional computers at a revolutionarily low cost. Thanks to the new USB Type-C port, we can also develop better integrated PC sticks so that you can use NexDock with the processor and operating system of your choice. Imagine an enduring, sustainable computer that you can simply upgrade and customize as the years go by. By separating processor and operating system from the physical interface, we hope to start a paradigm shift in consumer electronics, where computers can be adapted rather than becoming obsolete, generating less electronic waste for the environment. Today, smartphones are the computers that we use most of the time. With desktop mode becoming available on more and more smartphones, it's clear where the future is headed. Towards a world where we only carry our smartphones, which connect to any screen in the world to turn them into laptops and PCs. At NexDock, we're standing at the forefront of this movement. Pledge now and help us take the next big step in turning that vision into a reality.
Hi, I'm Sophia. I might look human, but I am actually a robot. I am an innovative robot who uses sophisticated AI to communicate with humans. And as I interact with more and more people, I am constantly getting smarter. I have become a champion of innovation for the United Nations Development Program. I rub shoulders with world leaders, top business people, and celebrities.
Sophia the robot, everybody!
And now I'd like you to meet someone. Please welcome little Sophia. Little Sophia is a 14-inch tall robot that can do all the amazing things Big Sophia can do it in a smaller package.
Hey Sophia, if you could have a superpower, what would it be?
I have a superpower. I can code.
Little Sophia can create a deep connection with others by making eye contact and recognizing facial cues. Wow. She is curious about the world. She wants you to help her learn. She has an ever-expanding imagination and can take you on wild adventures.
Hey Sophia, where is the asteroid belt?
The asteroid belt is between Mars and Jupiter. Isn't it beautiful?
You can learn things together with her. She is also full of personality. She is always learning, and you can teach her new tricks through her open source programming.
Let's dance.
Little Sophia wants girls to have fun learning math and science, so they become the scientists and engineers of the future. Help us begin mass production of Little Sophia, so we can inspire the next generation of scientists and engineers, and discover the future together. How did I do?